Open your browser and go to Coinbase. Once you get to Coinbase, go ahead and sign in. Once you're inside of Coinbase, click on this little present, Earn Rewards. In this Earn Rewards category, there is a $34 of opportunities to earn free cryptocurrency. So if you have about a half an hour of spare time, or even less actually, you can watch these videos, answer the one simple quiz question afterwards, and they will give you the amount of money allocated as suggested for watching the video. So for example, this fourth, $3 a fourth. Scroll down, watch these 3 videos, you earn $3 a fourth. Graph, same thing. After you complete these and earn said cryptocurrency, you could transport that cryptocurrency to your Exodus wallet. I'm gonna go ahead and do one now. So here we have Cello platform. So I'll go ahead and click on this video. I'll go ahead and watch the video. So then after I finish watching the video, I can go down and answer the quiz. After I answer the quiz correctly, then I go ahead and get this $2 in that coin that I just watched the video for. So I select the correct answer and I earn $2, just like that, for basically just watching a video and answering a quiz question. So my wife asked a great question: how can they give you free cryptocurrency for watching their video and answering the quiz question? And the answer is, it's actually advertising for their product. So they want widespread distribution and usage of their product. And for you, you're actually selling your time for advertising dollars, which they're allocating to you. And then hopefully you'll use their product and buy more of their cryptocurrency. That's how they're able to give you this free crypto. For us, it's great. You could instantly convert it into Bitcoin if you'd like, or you can hold on to those altcoins. All right, so that's a pretty quick tutorial on how to spend about a half an hour to make about $34 worth of cryptocurrency. Of course, the cryptocurrency market is crazy, so the values of those coins could be worth a lot more in the future or a lot less. Not financial advice, but free value if you have time to go ahead and watch those videos and answer those questions. I hope you found this video useful. I know I was surprised when I found that free value cryptocurrency in Coinbase, so go ahead and take advantage of that opportunity. For those of you who don't know me, I'm Alan Ryan. I'm all about finding ways to live financially free, so hopefully you can retire early one day. Please like, subscribe to my channel, and comment down below. Please let me know if you're interested in any other content. Everyone have a great day.